Today, I'm going to talk about Introduction to Data Science. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithm, system to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. It integrates techniques from statistics, computer science, and domain knowledge, utilizing tools like SAS for analysis and interpretation. The field has application across various industries from finance to healthcare, and its importance continues to grow in our digital age. So data science uses a software known as statistical analysis SAS software suite to analyze and extract valuable insights from data. SAS provides a comprehensive set of tools for data management, statistic analysis, machine learning, and visualization. SAS allows data scientists to perform advanced analytics by employing statistical techniques, machine learning algorithms, and data visualization tools, which supports the entire data science workflow from data preparation to model deployment, which also offers a programming language, allow users to write custom scripts for data manipulation and analysis.